Good morning, boys and girls. Mrs. Ochoa here with the lesson of welded or glued sounds. This is something that we've been working on in the classroom. Remember what a glued or a welded sound is. It's two or more letters glued so tightly together they make their own sound, but they always stay together in a word when you're reading it or spelling it. So here's some new ones that we're going to begin with. O-N-K, unk, hunk. Again, that is O-N-K, unk, honk. Our next card is A-N-K, ink, bank. Remember, A-N-K, ink, bank. Our third card is U-N-K, unk, junk. Again, U-N-K, unk, junk. I can't hear you. One more time. U-N-K, unk, junk. And our last new sound is I-N-K, ink, pink. Again, I-N-K, ink, pink. Yay! We did it! Remember, I'll be sending another lesson out soon to use those sounds in reading and spelling some words. Just continue to be safe, and I really, really miss you guys. Mrs. Ochoa signing out.